Hello guys, now I want to take you through a review of Movavi Photo Editor. Now I'm going to show you how you can use Movavi Photo Editor to edit your photos or to edit your images. Let's begin. Now as you can see here in my screen here, I'll access it through Video Suite. I'll just come here under Photos, then here it is, we'll just launch it. I'll just click here to launch. Then after a few minutes it will just be launched just like that. Here's the platform. Now we have the subtitles here, as you can see there. Then here we have, on top here we have the tools. Then on these sides also we have, if you choose a tool here, you can easily manipulate it on the right hand side. Now you can browse for images. For example, I'll just click here and I can browse for images. I'll just come here where the images are. Then I can easily insert an image. For example, I can decide to insert, let me look for an image to insert. I can decide to insert this kind of an image like that. As you can see there, the moment I insert the image, you see all these are activated, and also the right hand side. Now we have different tools here. We have this one here, the normal adjust, but that is brightness and the rest. We have retouching, we have this one here, we have the object removal, crop, we also have this one here. As you can see here, you can move the background, you can add text. This one you can add frames. This one, the Unisys, I've never used it so much. Then my favorite here is Restore. If you have a black and white picture, then you can put another picture. Also this one here, auto leveling, maybe the picture is not that leveled, and many other aspects. Effects, you can insert another picture. Also we have collage. So we'll start with the first one here, which is adjust. This is just normal adjustments, whereby you can decide to adjust an area. For example, you have the upper tools. These selection tools helps you to just adjust a certain area in a picture. I'll show you that as time goes by. For the first, now we'll just start with this one. This one, if you click this one, it will automatically adjust just an AI. This Movavi Photo Editor works more like an AI. So if I'm satisfied with that, I just click tick and it will just be updated. If I click magic enhance, this is what it does. You see it play around with all these things to do with brightness, white balance, although you can increase manually, or as you can see there, exposure and the rest here. But now I want to go back on the first tools here, which is the selection tools. You can use the brush tool. You can use this one here to select an area. For example, if I click here, it will just go about that. I'll just click escape so that I get out of that. You can even use the magic tool to just select an area. Maybe you just want to select an area, but this one is not that accurate, so I'll not use it. I'll go back here. I'll go back to the brush tool. Let me just undo. Undo is use Control Z. I like using the brush tools because it gives me more control. So I want to select the hair here. I'll just select the hair, and of course I'll adjust the brush size according to the way I want to select. Just like here, I want to select the hair, so I'll just do that in the next few seconds, just like that. Maybe I want to change the color of this hair. This red is just giving you what you are selecting, I mean the area that you're selecting. Let me undo that. Maybe I want to change the hair to something else. Maybe I want to change it to, as you can see, the hair was black. So I'll come here. I've selected the hair. No, the hair is brownish or black. So I'll come to temperature here. If I increase this one, we'll see what happens to hair. The hair changes to something like reddish, bluish. So you can easily change the hair just like that. I mean, if you are doing it, you can have more. Take your time and do it. I'm just doing it for the sake, quickly for the sake of this video. I'll just leave it at that. Then I'll go to the next tool, which is the retouch. Yes, it's telling me current selection will be cancelled if you leave the tab. Do you want to continue? I'll just continue. Then I think it just apply. The next selection here, as you can see here, is the retouch tool. You can use this to smoothen the skin, especially if you want your skin to be smooth. I want to zoom. You can either zoom using this one here, this slider here, or you can just use Control and plus, just like that, or Control minus. Hold down Control if you're using Windows. I think Command in Mac. So I'll do that. So you can easily do that. This one works if you want to smoothen an area or soften an area. For example, I'll just insert another picture here. Maybe I'll look for a picture that looks like rough, like this one here, open. So if you want to start to just click this one here, I'll discard this one. I don't want to save any changes. Yeah, I think I will use this. I'll just come skin smoothing. Then maybe I want to smoothen an area. Maybe this area here, as you can see, it's trying to smoothen, just like that. If you're very keen, you'll realize it is smoothening the skin. So you just click, and you can even change the brush size to be big. Then you just go and smoothen the skin of this lady here, as you can see there. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Control. Let me remove this one here. You see this one here is smoother. So I'll just click apply. You can even play around with the intensity. Then I'll just go back. You can remove, this is called wrinkle remover. As you can see, it's explaining here. You can remove the wrinkles. For example, if I want to remove the wrinkle here, I'll just increase the brush size. Maybe I want to remove, let's see if the problem now, if you increase the brush size, let me just undo so much it now. Let me just try to remove, maybe, let me try here. I don't know whether it has removed. This one especially works around the eyes. You can remove, then I just apply if you're satisfied with that. Blemish removal, if you want to remove the spots, you see this lady here has spots here. So if I want to remove this one, just click there. I'll just, you see this black one, gone. This one, gone. This one here, gone. This one here, gone. Yeah, so you can use that to, then I'll just apply to remove the blemish. Then shine removal, you want, it's so shiny, as you can see here. It's so white, maybe you don't want that for this kind of a picture. So I'll just close that, just play around with that, then you just apply. Then you have foundation, ladies. I think this works for ladies when they change the color, but I'll show you a better way of doing it. Maybe you want to be more brownish and want to go into that so much. Then you have red eye removal. If you took a picture at night and there's a red eye, you can easily remove, use this one to remove. Eye enlargement, yeah, you can decide to enlarge your eye. It has refused. This one uses AI. Maybe you can use it in another picture. Eyeshadow, you can play around with this. Maybe, I don't know. This one works especially for that. Then mascara, I think ladies, this work well. Lip color, you want to change the lip color maybe to something reddish. I don't know. Maybe you can just play around with that. But I'll just undo. It needs more keenness. Hair color, if you want to change the hair color maybe to something else, you can also go about it there. So reshaping tools, face slimming, you can slim your face. This one works if the picture is whole, so it's telling me it doesn't recognize the face. Maybe you can try. Then we'll move to the next one, object removal. So I'll put another picture again for object removal. Maybe this time I want to put this kind of a picture. I'll discard this one. I think we are done with that. You want to remove maybe something like this spoon here, or I don't know. So I'll just click that one. Let's try to remove it by just brushing over it. Start erasing. I need to give it a few minutes. Yeah, you see it as erased. You continue like that. Erase also this one here. Start erasing. So you can remove something from an object just like that. You have to do a lot of repetition till it's get out. See, perfect, gone. So you can use that. Then you go to the next tool, which is cropping. You see this image, this from here to here, there's nothing. So you can easily crop like this, maybe up to somewhere here, and also maybe up to somewhere here, up to somewhere here. Then I'll just apply. There it is. Although you can also use this one that I've defined here, but I don't want to use that. Now go to the next tool, change background. I'll put another picture, click here. This time I want to put another person, just a lady. Maybe let me look. Okay. Maybe this lady here. Put that one, discard that one. Then I'll just use auto select. Just remove the background just like that. I mean, there's no background. It means that another image. Let's see if this one, let me insert this lady here. Then I'll just use the brush tool, select an area that I'm just giving a computer an idea, areas that I want to be eliminated. Then I'll just use auto select, then it removes those parts, as you can see there. Then I can now do what? I can just brush, it can come back again. I'll just go again, auto select, the background is gone. Then I'll move to the next one. I try to compare to just be there. Yeah, I'll just go about that, go to next, just like that. Then you can easily insert text, add text. Maybe you can write something, hi there, something like that. Then okay, you can easily change the font, the color, just say okay. You can easily change the color, or just like you always manipulate text, you can even put it in a you can decide even to expand it, maybe use this one here, there. Then you have the frame tool here. You can easily put the frame that you want for a picture. There are so many, you can just scroll. Then you go to the next tool. I'll not apply, no. I'll go to the next tool, is Dionos. I don't know what it does, I've never used it so much. Let's see what it does. If I click this, it uses AI. It gives a certain scene. Then I'll move back. I'm just going to come here. We're going to use black and white picture. I'll discard this one here. Now you can restore, you can colorize a picture by using this restore. So I'll just click here. It uses AI. Would you like to resize? I'll just say yes, so that it goes quickly, like that. It goes quickly. Yeah, you see it has given it a color. It's just that simple. I'll move to the next one. Selection tool. Maybe you want to add an image, I don't know, something like discard that. Okay, so you want to select an area, maybe, I don't know, maybe then you paste an image. You can decide to paste an image just like that. Maybe I'll come under here, you can paste. I mean, if you want to decide another, put an image under another image, then you just go to the next one. Don't apply. Auto leveling, you can auto level it. I mean, if it's not straight in the background, you can easily or you can use auto level tool, which if you do like, it will just go according to the way you put it. You see the boy is like that. Then you go effects. You can put many effects in a picture. There are so many, the variety of picture effects here, just a matter of experiment. I think the favorite one is creatives, where you can make something look like a pencil art. Then we have resize. Don't apply. You can size a picture. There are presets here that you can use, although you can use this one, put manually. You can unlock or lock. Then we have photo collage. You can add some pictures here. Maybe you add this one here, maybe you add this one here. So you can even zoom to make it large, just like that. So guys, that is how to use Movavi Photo Editor. You can use it to do many things: remove backgrounds, put photo collage, enhance a picture. You can even add text. You can even crop it, resize it. You can even remove objects, remove blemish, remove wrinkles, and many other aspects. See you in the next video, and also watch my other videos where I've explained in details of how you can use these tools.